Carrot cake. Basic but delicious recipe, easy to make. This is a basic recipe that sustains its flavor in the amount of carrot and sweet spices that are added. The process is easy and fast because it is prepared with oil and not butter. Besides simplifying the process and reducing the beating time, oil confers other properties to a cake. The ingredients are 375 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup or 8 ounces of fine cooking oil, 175 grams of brown sugar, 4 jumbo eggs or 250 grams equivalent, 100 grams of chopped walnuts, half a cup orange juice, 175 grams of grated carrot, grated zest of 1 orange peel, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg powder. The previously sifted flour is mixed with the baking powder and the sweet spices. The eggs and the sugar are mixed by beating a little. The brown sugar also adds moisture to the cake. Continue adding oil, carrot, orange zest, walnuts and orange juice by mixing with a whisk. Finally, add the flour in 2 parts to incorporate properly and avoid lumps. The amount of sugar added is not equivalent to the amount of flour as in other cakes, but the carrot adds the sweetness it lacks. It is optional to add raisins and grated coconut to enrich it more. Grease an 8-inch round cake pan 3 inches high or 4 7-inch by 1-inch round cake pans. Line the bottom of the pans with waxed paper or butter paper. The oven is preheated to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 minutes after placing the pans in the oven. The oven is lowered to 167 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. They take 12 to 15 minutes to bake. If you bake the cake in the large pan, preheat the oven and bake it at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. It took 15 minutes to bake. Let them cool on a wire rack before assembling and decorating. After 5 minutes they can be unmolded on aluminum foil, the waxed paper base is removed, and they are covered with plastic wrap to keep them soft and tender if they are to be decorated later. Each cake top is leveled so that it is flat. Moisten with a syrup prepared with cinnamon. To decorate, use cream cheese or buttercream mixed with whipping cream that will not harden too much in refrigeration. Set aside a portion for filling and add orange zest to give it extra flavor. Repeat with the border and filling. Invert the top cake lid so that the cut side is on the inside. Decorate it simply and beautifully as a naked cake. For the edges, use a spoon, first on the concave side to scoop up the excess and then on the convex side to smooth. Sprinkle with grated dehydrated carrots and caramelized nuts and decorate as you like. The cake is more moist, remains soft for more days, and when refrigerated does not harden.